Hey friends, it's been a busy year, no joke. I've reviewed more IEMs than I can count, reading your comments, swapping tips in forums, and chasing down every must-buy everyone's talking about. My goal with this guide isn't to drown you in a sea of models or brand hype. I just want to save you time and money with picks that actually deliver for real people, real tastes, and real budgets. I'm skipping the fluff, so if you just want solid recommendations per sound signature or price, you're in the right spot. And, yep, every product I mention has a link in the description. Prices and specs change, so check there if you're curious. Let's start with something a bunch of you asked about. Neutral IEMs for clean, honest sound. Honestly, Moondrop Space Travel 2 surprised me. It's wireless, super affordable, and doesn't mess with your music. If you want next-level detail, Crin Ear Daybreak is a personal favorite I keep coming back to. And for the purists, Soft Ears RSV still blows me away. Sometimes, oldies are goldies. You guys told me bass is king, so here goes. 7 Hz X Crinical 02 keeps trending in the comments, and honestly, it's earned it. Fun, punchy, still clear. Truth Ear Pure 2. I didn't expect to like it as much as I did. The bass feels real, not just booming noise. The audio origin fills out the soundstage, perfect if you want to feel inside your music. A quick tip here. A bunch of people asked about tips and comfort. You'd be amazed how much swapping ear tips can improve any IEM. Don't skip it. Remember, these aren't the top 50 for clickbait, just the ones our community and I keep reaching for, no matter what the charts say. If you want full lists or have questions, or you just want to share what's working for you, drop it in the comments. I read every single one. All product links are right below. I hope this guide helps you find your next favorite, without the usual hassle. Thanks for being awesome. Hit like if it helped, and I'll see you in the replies.